Today I am reviewing the INNOCN 49-inch curved ultra-wide gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a truly immersive, high-performance monitor that can completely transform both your productivity and gaming experience, the INNOCN 49-inch curved ultra-wide monitor, 49C1, stands out as one of the most powerful options available today. This is not just a standard display. It is a massive, ultra-wide workspace designed to replace dual monitor setups while delivering an incredibly seamless and expansive viewing experience. From professionals to gamers, this monitor is built to handle demanding tasks with ease while offering an impressive visual experience. The first thing you will notice is the sheer size and resolution of this display. With a huge 49-inch screen and a 5120 by 1440 Dual QHD resolution, this monitor gives you the equivalent of two high-resolution monitors combined into one continuous panel. The 32:9 aspect ratio provides an extremely wide field of view, which is perfect for multitasking. You can easily run multiple applications side by side, compare documents, edit videos, manage spreadsheets, or keep multiple browser tabs open without constantly switching between windows. This level of screen real estate significantly boosts productivity and makes everyday tasks feel more efficient and organized. When it comes to performance, this monitor delivers a smooth and responsive experience with a 120Hz refresh rate, especially when connected through DisplayPort. This high refresh rate ensures that motion looks fluid and reduces screen tearing, making it ideal for gaming and fast-paced visual work. Paired with adaptive sync technology, the monitor synchronizes with your GPU to eliminate stuttering and tearing, resulting in a much smoother and more enjoyable experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on animations. The curved design of the monitor is another key feature that enhances both immersion and comfort. Within our 1800 curvature, the screen gently wraps around your field of view, allowing you to see more of the display without needing to move your head constantly. This not only improves immersion, but also helps reduce eye strain during long hours of use. The curve makes everything feel more natural and helps keep all areas of the screen within comfortable viewing distance, which is especially useful for such a large display. In terms of visual quality, the monitor performs exceptionally well. It features 99% sRGB color coverage and HDR400 support, which means colors are vibrant, accurate, and true to life. The high contrast ratio of around 3,000:1 enhances depth, making dark scenes deeper and highlights brighter. This is especially beneficial for content creators, designers, and anyone working with visuals, as it ensures that what you see on screen closely matches real-world colors. Even for casual viewing, movies, and gaming, the image quality is rich and detailed. Connectivity is another area where this monitor excels. It comes equipped with a wide range of ports including USB-C with 65W power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A ports, a USB-B connection, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This extensive selection allows you to connect multiple devices with ease, including laptops, desktops, gaming consoles, and even smartphones. The USB-C port is particularly convenient because it allows you to transmit video, data, and power all through a single cable, making it perfect for a clean and minimal setup. Another standout feature is the monitor's support for PIP and PBP, picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes. This allows you to display content from two different devices simultaneously on the same screen. For example, you can work on your laptop while watching content from your gaming console or monitor two systems side by side. This feature is incredibly useful for multitasking and can greatly improve productivity by keeping multiple workflows visible at once. The ergonomic design of the monitor also adds to its overall appeal. It includes a fully adjustable stand that allows you to tilt, swivel, and adjust the height to match your preferred viewing position. This ensures that you maintain proper posture and reduce strain during long working or gaming sessions. The built-in speakers provide basic audio output, which is convenient for casual use, although most users may prefer external speakers or headphones for a more immersive sound experience. Overall, The INNOCN 49-inch ultra-wide monitor, 49C1R, is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their setup with a powerful, immersive, and highly functional display. It combines a massive ultra-wide screen, sharp Dual QHD resolution, smooth high refresh rate performance, excellent color accuracy, and a wide range of connectivity options into one premium package. While it does require a spacious desk and a capable system to fully take advantage of its resolution, the experience it delivers is truly next level. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or productivity-focused user, this monitor offers a level of immersion and efficiency that is hard to match.